Hello everybody, this is the Ship Modelers Library. Today I will show you a book with the anatomy of the ship, the 100-gun ship Victory by John McKay. Forever associated with Nelson's last battle, Victory is one of the most famous ships of all time and is now preserved as a museum at Portsmouth. 40 years old by the time of Trafalgar, she had been the flagship of half a dozen famous admirals and was to continue in active service until 1812. This book contains full description of the ship and her position in the development of the first rate, close-up and on-board photographs, guide to the ship's Trafalgar color scheme on the book jacket, more than 300 perspective and 3-view drawings with in-depth descriptive keys of every detail of the ship as presently restored, general armaments, hull construction, fittings, decoration, mast and yards, rigging and armament. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comment section below which book would you like to flip through in the next edition.